folks, it's Josh KERIEVSKY from Industrial Logic, and this is Agile Q&A. You ask questions, I'll answer them. The very first question is from Amit Jain, and he asks, what are the key ingredients to making Agile an org-wide phenomenon? He's had initial success, but then followed by challenges scaling it. This is very common. You're going to hit all kinds of teams across the org that want nothing to do with Agile. Some of them are outright determined to make it go away for forever. There's a lot of hostility you can encounter. At the end of the day, it comes down to educating folks about what real Agile is. I say if you're really doing Agile, then the outcomes are getting better and your stress is going down. In fact, you love coming to work. That's been our experience. So it's not something to say, I don't want anything to do with this. But a lot of people need to be educated first. So education is absolutely key. I would start educating people the minute you begin doing pilots. If you're doing a few pilots to start, which is a good way to get started, immediately begin having hosted sessions where you educate the rest of the organization about what you're doing, what real Agile is, what it isn't, dispel the myths, work on that education right away. Number two, you need to work with the executives. You've got to work with the executives right away, get them to understand the value of Agile, why it's important, what's the ROI in it, why should they really champion it. Super important for executive support in an org-wide, a successful org-wide transformation. Number three is back to hands-on expertise, guiding people. We usually call that coaching. You need talented coaches to help guide people over the hurdles. There's a lot of things that are traditional and they're going to want to stay traditional. Help them get over that to the Agile way of working. So three things: education, executive support, and coaching, critical to making an org-wide change work.